Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for clicking on another video of mine. Subscribe if it's your first time here, please. I've got a package that I wasn't expecting to come in today. Just showed up at random. I do know that it's coming from the company, but wasn't expecting it this fast. So this just made my day here in the shop. This is a package from Lincoln Electric. Now, I've been working with Lincoln Electric for a number of years. I work for myself here in this small little shop in Newfoundland, and primarily, I'm a knife maker. What a stunning machine. Love that Lincoln Red too. Of course, just beautiful machines. They grab your eye. I have the Lincoln Electric Mini Flex, which is so sweet. I've been using Lincoln Electric for far beyond that. I love their product line. I love what they have to offer. I like the company. I like the heritage and history of the company. We have a machine from them that I've yet to own, at least in any type of quality capacity, and that is a plasma cutting machine. I've had one of those ultra cheap, like overseas plasma cutting machines, and while it works okay, it does technically work as a plasma machine, it has been nothing but trouble. And here in the auto and fab shop out front, my brother does a lot of the fabrication work. Most of the fabrication work. He's had to use that one a little couple times, and he's been tempted to just destroy that machine because every time you plug it in or try to use it, it's trouble. It doesn't work. You have to take the cover off and be finicking with wires and issues. He just hates that machine, and I can't blame him. So we're finally getting a beautiful machine here that's going to be a big plus for him out on that side, and of course something I get to play with because we've got some big fab projects coming up real soon. Let's have a look at this machine here. Let's do a little unboxing. I'm expecting a bunch of accessories and a bunch of little stuff from them. I don't exactly know if it's all here, if they've put it in. We'll find out. This is the Lincoln Electric, the Tomahawk 45. Now, Lincoln has a number of different options of plasma machines. I really like this option. This is the one I went with, partly because of the 20-foot long lead. That was a big deal for me around the shop here. We spend so much time dragging equipment around. We have so much floor space here. That 20-foot lead really lets you park a machine, especially if you have like a fabrication area, a fabrication corner. In most cases, you'll be able to leave your machine there against the wall plugged in. You could just trail around with your lead. So that's really nice. Man, I just love that Lincoln Red. Love that Lincoln Red. The Tomahawk 45. You have... Isn't that a beautiful thing? You have your couple dials here, the selections. Big fan of their screen system. Really nice and durable and just makes sense. Air pressure controller here, so you just turn to your desired level. Lock. Very, very simple setup here. Power button on the back. It's a sealed button in this case. Power in and spot for your air coupler. No onboard compressor for this unit. I didn't need it. I've got tons of air here at the shop. Just rather not have it. Rather go with the bigger unit, the 45, and not have the air connection. But if you don't have a real good air supply, going with the 30 amp model, the Tomahawk 30 with the built-in compressor would be by far your best option. Now, I've mentioned time and time again the practicality of Lincoln's graphics. They put really high quality graphics like this. This is a really durable parts breakdown here on the machine. So you forever, because there are expendable parts, disposable parts on these, there are fittings and stuff that run on the end of the torch that they just burn out. And to have this here so you can always just check your machine, grab your part number for reorder is so practical and convenient. On the welding machines, they have the same type of graphics with setting recommendations and setup type things on the multi-process, just to show you every time. You can quick reference and say, okay, I need my ground here, I need my controller here. Just really makes life easier to have these quality graphics. So I am absolutely thrilled to have another Lincoln Electric machine added to my collection here. This is the Tomahawk 45 once again. These tools really make life easier. They make things possible that were not before. They allow us to take on work here that we might have turned down before, because now we can be efficient and competent. So this is just great. Now, I hinted at a couple times fab project coming up. Big fab project. Something really exciting I've been wanting for a couple years. Let me show you guys, before we tune out of this video, let me show you guys, give you a little glimpse of what that's going to look like. It's my boat console. Don't think that I forgot about the boat console project. You guys haven't heard of it spoken of for a while, because there's been too much going on here to move ahead with this project, but it's happening. I've made it my goal to make it happen this winter. The whole project is going to be filmed, hopefully coming back with a whole new television series, The Newfoundland Hobbyist. We've missed a year or two now, but this whole project is going to be filmed and it's going to be spectacular. Still have my boat, still been planning. This has been built within the last year. I've gone through a couple different models, all kinds of drawings, looking at different ways to build it, fiberglass versus different methods. So what I did was I made a simple transparency. I showed where the water line would be on the boat. I made a simple transparency, and then I copied it all over a piece of paper so I could start sketching in different shapes for a console. And these are some of my different drawings, and I was just randomly sketching, you know, what would it look like if it was leaned forward and up front of the boat? And then what about mid-boat and a back lean and a more vertical console? And so I have all of these designs, and I made notes. What aspects do I like about each one? What don't I like? Which types of angles? And so we're inside my workshop here now, and I figured this is the way to do it. And so after a bunch of designing and work, like I said, this is what I've come up with. This is going to be an aluminum console. This is pretty much going to be final dimension of it here now. It's built out of really thin plywood. Just cut it out so I can stand next to a full dimension design. This is something special in the works. Perhaps templated, made available for public sale. We'll see. This is gonna be a winner. I am fully convinced in my mind that this is something new, different, and just gonna be spectacular. So this is part of what this machine is doing here. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button. So check out Lincoln Electric's product offering if you're looking for a welding machine, cutting machine, accessories, apparel, equipment, anything like that, safety gear. Check them out. Subscribe to my channel so you can follow more content in this machine and this project. You're going to want to see it. Subscribe, hit the like button. We'll see you in the next video.